Good morning, my awesome friends. You know what time it is. Tablescape Tuesday 23. Oh my gosh, it's time to join in with my two awesome friends, Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Amethyst Adventures, for this wonderful challenge. Let's see what Grandma did today. Well, here we have a Valentine's breakfast in the garden. And of course, our little elf, Susie Q, showed up for it, all dressed up in her Valentine's finest. Doesn't she look cute? And look at her little hat. And on the little hat, she has a little heart. And it says, I love you. And a beautiful black and white check ribbon. You know how much Grandma loves the black and white theme because she has so much Mackenzie Child pieces. And look at her beautiful little face and her beautiful blue eyes. And look at all her beautiful Valentine's clothes and her beautiful Valentine's choker around her neck. Isn't it beautiful? And her little thing that says, Happy Valentine's Day. Isn't it cute? When I saw this at Home Goods, Grandma, you know, had to buy it. I found a perfect elf at Christmas time, and it was a little expensive, and I said, oh, let me wait until next week. I went back the next week, and it was gone. So I wasn't going to let that happen again with this one. But doesn't she look beautiful? And her little pearl buttons, there was all the details was put together on this outfit. And her beautiful little slippers, aren't they precious? So, she's not new. We've already used her in a post, but she was $16.99 at Home Goods. The black and white check trees are from Dollar Tree, and they're at least a year or two old. And so I bought them for $1. I'm not quite sure where this base, the container came from. It might have been Dollar Tree. It might have been the 99-cent store. Really can't remember where I've got it. I've had it a while. It's not new either. The flowers are probably from Hobby Lobby or Walmart. That's where I buy most of my nice flowers, from those two stores. And then of course these are my Mackenzie Child bee and butterfly that I've had a couple of years. They're not new either. And these beautiful, the teapot and the tray were bought at Hobby Lobby probably like 3-4 years ago, and I think I paid $45 for the pair of them. I bought them at the same time and they were 50% off. I don't know how I could have afforded to buy full price. That's pretty pricey, but they were beautiful, and because I already love Mackenzie Child by this time, I thought this went perfect with that theme also. So I do use these a lot at different times of the year because they're so beautiful. Now my cups were from Dollar Tree, but I've had them probably a year or two. The napkins are brand new. They were, I don't remember what we say, $3 or $4. And I used a napkin to use for the mouth, one to put under the bowl. These were bought at Home Goods. I don't know if I see a price on them. I thought there was a price. Well, here it is. $4.99, and that was for the pair. So you know I had to buy them. And look at the beautiful heart detail on them. And let's see if we can see where it's from. Hope you can read it. But anyway, that's where I got them when I saw them. I'm just trying to get 1 or 2 new pieces every year. I think I'm pretty well done at mass shopping. I think for the glass plates, I think I paid around $2.50 each, and so there's a pair of them here, so that's $5. So we're here for $5, $10, about $15 for the Valentine's breakfast in the garden. So that's not too bad. Most of these pieces I already owned and had, so that always helps. Always shop that house before starting any project. You'll be amazed at what you can save, because the cups I already had, the silverware I already had, the saucers I had, and the little container for my tea and my artificial sweetener I've had probably 20 years, 25. The little milk one I've had for about 25 also. So there are a lot of things that I've had a long time that I use all the time. So you're going to see these items all the time in my displays. So let me know what you thought. I thought we did pretty good for $15. The tablecloth, I bought at a secondhand store, I think for about $6 or $7, but it's quite large. I have a large banquet table, and it is big enough to go on that. I have it folded in half. The pretty little container under my snacks was something I already had also. That was from Hobby Lobby. I've had it probably about a year. So hopefully you guys enjoyed what I shared with you, and like I said, you can use these pieces over and over again. Don't be afraid. I do it all the time. Once I have to take the time to find all these pieces, you'll notice there'll be quite a few Valentine posts put up with most of the same pieces done in different displays in different ways, because you can do it. And why am I going to go out and be constantly buying and spending a lot of money? These are hard times, guys. Get a couple special great pieces. Like this year, my new pieces that I bought was my little elf. So she's new for Valentine's. My little Valentine bowls, and these red plates and the napkins. Now the napkins I'll carefully store away, and we'll reuse them next year and the year after that for sure, and there'll be no cost. So I thought I got some really good buys, and some of these things I just love, and I use them all the time. Now I can use these red plates for at least 7 or 8 different times through the year, so they're a great investment piece. The little heart bowls, maybe not. I'm going to try to get them in at least 2 or 3 posts and show you different ways you can use them. And we're using them in this display for oatmeal, but I'm going to make some desserts in them and use them in different displays. So get ready for a lot of Valentine's displays for the next couple of weeks, and then we'll start on St. Patrick's Day. So hope you enjoyed it. Please leave me a comment and let me know what you thought.